Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a fabulous Friday. Thank you for coming back to writing today. You are almost done for the week. I am so proud of you and all your hard work. So, before we get started with my writing sample, I wanted to review our anchor chart again. So, remember, we are doing our persuasive or opinion writing, and that means it's what you think. There is no right or wrong answer, it's your opinion. It's what you think or believe. So we talked about the first thing we need to do is decide how we feel, decide what we think, and then explain it. And the best way we could explain it is by using our word because. So in this example, I said, I like red apples because they are sweet. The next thing you need to do is give lots of reasons. So we did that yesterday. For your writing this week, yesterday, you should have started to give me more reasons as to why you should get what you want. So in this one, I said, red apples are healthy. I can eat them at home and at school. So then today, we are focusing on our final step, which is give a suggestion. So for this writing, I said you should try one with peanut butter. So right now, I want you to start thinking about what you were writing about this week and what your suggestion could be. Well, if you're ready, let's take a look at my writing because I know what I'm going to say for my suggestion. So I'm going to scoot back a little bit so we can see it, and I'm going to read it to you first because I did add more after I turned off the video yesterday. It says, I want a puzzle because it is fun. I can do a puzzle in my house. It is safe. A puzzle will help my brain and make me work. So now I need to add my suggestion. So when I've been thinking about who I'm writing to, I was thinking of Mr. Rondo because he would be the one who has to buy the puzzle. So my suggestion is going to be, you should get a puzzle so we can do it together. That way it's not a puzzle just for me, but it's something we can share. So I think he knows if I'm going to share it with him, then maybe he'll want to buy it for me. So that's what I'm going to say. So remember, when we do our suggestion, it should start with you should. You're telling your readers something they should do to convince them of what you're wanting or liking or want them to believe. So I'm going to start you right here, and it's a new sentence, so I need a capital letter. You should. Remember, should is our H brother, like Shane. You should buy. You should buy a puzzle. You should buy a puzzle so S-O, so, spaceman, we. I know it's kind of hard to see it right here. Maybe if I go over here really far, you can see it. So we can, that's another sight word. Remember, every time you write a new word, you should be reading your sentence again. You should buy a puzzle so we can do it. Let's read it. You should buy a puzzle so we can do it together. Oh, that's a big one. Ready? Together. Say fast. Together. That is a really big word, but I'm just going to do my best to sound it out. Two. Oh, I hear a sight word in the beginning. Two. It says two. I'm going to start with T-O. Remember, this is still one word, so no spaceman yet. Two. G. 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 I hear letter D. Two. G. Like Emmanuel. E. Together. That's one of our H brothers. Is that like Charlie, Shane, Theo, or Wheelie? Yeah, it's like Theo. Which one is Theo? T-H. Good. Together. Whoa, look how big of a word we just sounded out. Okay, let's read it together. Hey, look, I said it again. You should buy a puzzle so we can do it together. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Period. Boys and girls, making sure after you add your suggestion, you need to find 2 people in your family to read your writing to, and then uploading it on the discussion board so I can see it as well. Happy writing, guys!